Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm going to show you the Horn of America Model 3240 Sewing Center with the 3-position airlift. This sewing center is also known as the medium quilter's dream. It features a 25 by 13 inch cutout that will fit most moderately sized sewing or embroidery machines. You can see a clear acrylic insert, which you can choose, or a color matched insert, which will be cut to your specific make and model machine. Along the rear of the cabinet is a full-length drop leaf extension. It's on a caster wheel support panel. It's very sturdy when you're moving large quantities of fabric through your machine. The entire top surface of the cabinet has smooth round edges. You'll never catch your fabric or your clothing on the edges. This cabinet has one pull-out drawer attached, and to the right is a small tray to store your insert or your filler panel. We also have what looks like more drawers, but it's the Model 01 Little Caddy. Pull out the top drawer of the caddy, and there's a finger grip. This caddy is on caster wheels. It gives you two options: extra leg room, or move it to the right for a place to store your notions and accessories while you're sewing. This cabinet is available in white with oak trim, or sunset oak. When you order your Model 3240 or your Little Caddy, they come fully assembled. All you have to do is install the hardware and the caster wheels. You're ready to go.